All right, so this is not clickbait. I do owe you guys a big apology. Hi everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. I am coming to you because I owe you guys a big apology, and I have some announcements, some other stuff to say, but I am going to apologize first. I owe you guys an apology because for Next Top Upcycler, a ton of you guys applied to be on the show, and me trying to be professional and trying to take it to the next level, quote unquote, I did it through my website, and so many of you guys applied, but when I went to send out the emails to say, hey, I'm interested in you as a contestant, a lot of the emails got sent to people's spam mail because there was no frame of reference, I guess. And maybe you were not on my email list. I don't know. I don't know why it was happening, but it was happening a lot. And so rather than, once I did pick, finally, it took us weeks to sort through, and some of you guys, if you go back in your spam mail, you will see an email from me. I am so sorry. I tried. There's somebody I even tried to DM them on Instagram and nothing. So that's why I owe you guys an apology. I'm so sorry for that mix up. I know so many of you guys wanted to be on the show. I am taking this as a learning experience. For next time, I will definitely just have you guys email your application to me, and that way there will be no mix-ups. And as well, if you emailed me or if you applied previously, still you'll apply again so that I make sure that I have everybody's stuff straight and nothing, it won't get mixed up. And that's why I didn't send out emails to you guys individually to let you know yay or nay, because the nay one's like, hey, I'm sorry you didn't make it, it would have gone to your spam, and so either way you wouldn't have gotten it. And so I'm coming to you now just to say I'm so sorry for that. I'm learning as I'm going with that. I'm grateful that I've learned it in only the second season rather than later on, but still, sometimes when you try to do better and it just doesn't work out. But at any rate, yes, I wanted to say I'm so sorry from the bottom of my heart. And please, you guys, please keep applying for our Next Top Upcycler. Before we do it the next time, I am definitely going to make a video to let you know specifically what I'm looking for in contestants. Some of you guys send your applications and they're like one-word answers. It's a whole show. I can't gauge your personality, whether you're capable of even going through the process with couple word answers. So I will make a video so you guys know exactly how to apply, put your best foot forward, and then we'll go from there. But yes, that's what I wanted to apologize for. So please, you guys, accept my apology. We will do better for season 3. But I do have some exciting news. You guys will be able to participate, and everybody will be able to participate this season for an opportunity to be featured in the season finale of Next Top Upcycler. I'm going to announce everything at the end of the first episode, so definitely it starts Saturday 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, but it'll be there. It's not going away. So no matter what time, anytime after 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, you'll be able to watch it. Go to the description and click all the details to find out more. I'm super excited. We have a twist this season that I'm super excited for you guys to see. So, and I already have some big things planned for season 3 that I couldn't fit into season 2 because I am trying to learn my lesson and not overstep, try to bite off more than I can chew. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I hope you guys are still excited. I am still excited, and I want to let you guys know that I still will be doing my regular tutorials, but they'll be on Thursdays. So during the time of Next Top Upcycler, that will take center stage on Saturdays, but I still want to give you guys like the tutorials that you need, because you're still going to want to be upcycling and getting that simple stuff, because Next Top Upcycler is definitely more complicated, more advanced, but I definitely want to give you guys the tutorials that I normally give you, and that will be Thursdays, and they will come out 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. And finally, the last announcement, something that I have been wanting to do for so long, and at this point, it's almost to the point where I have to do it. A lot of you guys ask me stuff like this that I have on. This is actually a romper, but like, okay, that you had on in that video, or that you posted on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, whatever, TikTok, TikTok, where is the tutorial? And in some places, like in Instagram comments, I can't share a link. I can share a link in YouTube comments here, but I can't share a link in Instagram comments, and it's a problem. And I want you guys to be able to find what you're looking for. And so I am creating a database on my website of all of my upcycles. So like it'll be, you know how some Instagrammers, they'll do shop my closet, and then you can click the link tree in their bio, and it'll take you to their website where it's just, you see all of their Instagram photos, and you can click on the Instagram photo and see where they purchased everything they have on. It'll be exactly the same way, except for you'll click on my Instagram photo and see all the tutorials that and anything that I might have purchased too. I could put it there as well. But yeah, you'll get to see everything that I have on that is upcycled. It'll take you directly to that tutorial, so no one will be lost in the sauce. And yeah, I've been wanting to do this for so long. With over 200 tutorials, it is hard to get everyone to where they need to be. So yes, I am excited about that. And yeah, I hope you guys forgive me. I really do feel bad. I know there's so many people that want to be on the show. So many people, you know, honestly, yeah. So many people that want to be on the show, and I do desperately want you guys to be on the show, but I have to pick, you know, like the best people for the show. So I am going to show you directly how to be the best person for the show next time. And yeah, that'll just make the competition even harder for me to pick, but at least you guys won't be in the dark about what you need to do, and then I will be able to get everybody's email, and you'll be able to get mine. So yeah, I will see you guys on Saturday morning, 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. We will be in the comments, both I and some of the contestants will be in the comments of the premiere. We're going to be discussing everything, chatting it up, just having a great time. So I'll see you guys there. Bye.